Every edit Claude makes is tracked. If something goes wrong, you can undo it instantly. Today we're covering checkpointing and code review, the safety net that makes fearless coding possible. Let's get into it. Here's how checkpoints work. Every single edit Claude makes is automatically saved as a checkpoint. Zero config required. It just happens. Think of it like an infinite undo history, but for your entire code base. Every file change, every new file, every deletion, all tracked, all reversible. Undoing changes is dead simple. Double tap escape to instantly restore the last checkpoint. Use /rewind to go back to any previous state. /diff shows you exactly what changed. And /snapshot saves a named checkpoint you can return to later. It's like version control within your Claude session, but way faster than Git. Now for automated code review. Claude can run multi-agent PR reviews, multiple Claude instances analyzing your pull request in parallel. It integrates directly with GitHub code review, posting comments right on the PR. This isn't just a linter. It's a full code review that understands your codebase context. What does the review actually check? It catches bugs, security issues, logic errors, race conditions, and missing error handling. What it skips: style nitpicks, lint rules, and formatting, stuff your existing tools already handle. It focuses on the things that actually break production. Let's recap. Automatic checkpointing for every edit, zero config. Undo with double escape, rewind, diff, and snapshot. Multi-agent PR review with GitHub integration. Reviews catch bugs and security issues, not style nitpicks. Your safety net is always on. Subscribe for more from the AI Terminal.